Hey guys, here's your homework on simplifying square roots. Okay, here's your guys' homework on simplifying square roots. So I'm going to be doing 3, 6, 10, 15, and 18 for you guys. Okay, 3, 6, 10, 15, and 18 for you guys on this homework help video. Okay, number 3. So again, if you guys cannot figure out what is the biggest perfect square that 180 can be divisible by, you guys should do a prime factorization tree. So again, a factor of 180, you guys, you could divide both of them, 180 by 2, and that would be 2 times 90. And then you guys can factor out 90 to be any factors you want, but I'm just going to pick 9 and 10. Factors of 9 are 3 and 3, and factors of 10 are 5 and 2. So you look for the pairs, right? You look for your pairs and see what leftovers we get. So there's a pair of 2s, here's a pair of 3s, and here is a leftover, right? So in your guys' notes, it says you put the pairs on the outside. So we have a pair of 2, we have a pair of 3, and we have a leftover, and it goes on the inside the square root. You guys simplify 6 square root 5. 6 square root 5. Now number 6. So square root of 72, you guys find your factors of 72. You could do 8 and you could do 9. So again, it does not matter what way you guys go because everyone will always have their prime numbers. Factors of 9 are 3 times 3. Factors of 8, 4 times 2. And factors of 4, 2 times 2. So I see a pair of 2s and I see a pair of 3s. And we got a leftover, that 2. So again, the pairs go on the outside the square root and the leftovers on the inside. So we got 2 times 3, a pair of 2s, pairs of 3s, and a square root of the leftover 2. 2 times 3, you guys, 6 square root 2. And that is the simplification of number 6. 54. We got 6 times 9. This one, factors of 6, 3 times 2, factors 9, 3 times 3. So out of all my prime numbers, right, we have pairs of 3s, and unfortunately, that 3 and that 2, you guys, are leftovers. They could not find a partner or a pair. So the pair of 3s come on the outside, and the leftover, you guys, is 3 times 2, for 3 square root of 6. 15. So for 15, there is a negative sign on the inside of that square root. So we have the square root of 45i. Remember, I is the square root of negative 1. And that makes sense because the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 45, you guys, is negative 45. So then we factor. 5 times 9 is 45. And then 9, you guys, becomes 3 times 3. Here's a pair of 3s and a leftover of that 5. So we got pair of 3s, square root, the leftover 5. On the outside, we have the I. 18. Again, we have to take out that negative sign. So square root 48, you guys, I, and then you guys simplify that square root. 4 goes into 48, you guys, 12 times. Factors of 4, 2 times 2. Factors of 12, 3 times 4. Factor of 4, 2 times 2. Pairs. And we got a leftover of that 3. So, pairs of 2s. There's one pair of 2s. Here's the other pair of the 2s. And a leftover of a 3. So, oh, and don't forget the I we pulled out, right? So we got 4 square root 3i, and that simplifies your guys' square root, negative 48. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and good luck with the remaining problems, okay? Peace.